Hello everybody! It's time for a hands-on activity. You're going to love it because this time we're going to make something amazing and delicious. We're going to eat it. What we're going to do is a sorbet in a baggie. A sorbet is like an ice cream. We are going to use very few materials. Check it out. The materials that we're going to use are really easy and you can find them at home. We're going to use a small Ziploc bag and a big Ziploc bag. You can reuse any ones that you have at home. We're going to use small spoons. Salt. We're going to use salt. A small juice. A Tetra Pak juice is one of the best for this activity. And we're going to use ice. Now the procedure. At first we have to put some ice in the big Ziploc bag. Then we're going to put the juice in the small Ziploc bag. Here it is. We're going to try to take out the air from the bag as much as we can. You have to check that your Ziploc bag, this one, the one with the juice, it's very, very, very good closed. You can ask to your mom or dad to help you with this. We're going to put some salt with the ice. In the big bag with ice, we're going to put 2 spoons of ice. And then we're going to put the small bag with juice in it. And you can put some more ice. And another spoon of salt. Okay, perfect. Now, it's the fun part coming. Close it. We take the air out. We check that this is really fine closed. And with this, now we're going to check it. Once you have checked it a lot, you can open it and check how is your sorbet in a bag going. Whoa! Amazing! It changed! Now, I have my small containers. And with a spoon, you can see that you have it like a sorbet. The sorbet is like ice cream. It looks delicious. Now, this is ready to share with your family. Do you want some? This is amazing. Do you know how did it happen? This happens because the heat from the juice transfers to the ice. That melts the ice and makes the juice to be out of heat. And with that, it freezes. And we have a sorbet. A sorbet in a baggie. Cheers!